Okay guys, good morning guys. Okay, magja-jogging ngayon kami sa Pan Pacific. Okay. Dito kami. Good morning, good morning. Yan. Hintayin natin si Sir Manny kasi sila Sir Manny dito mag-start mag-jogging papuntang Pan Pacific. Oh. Ito na naman yung ano natin. Yan. Yung pinakamatindi natin. Okay, good morning guys. Oh, yan. Oh, ito si Kali. Oh.
Bakit?
Ano yan, mga UFC. Ito, mga UFC to lahat. UFC banana ketchup, okay? Hindi to UFC na player, ha? Banana ketchup.
Banana ketchup. Ganyan yan, every ano talaga.
Jones, oh, Roy Jones. Na Bisaya. Okay, ayan si Roy Jones na Bisaya version, ha?
Vlog po ka?
Ay, syempre.
Automatic, Jinsan.
Jinsan, ha?
Jinsan, automatic.
Okay, kasi nakailangan sa Jinsan, no? Labayin ninyo isda diyan sa Peaceport.
Gano'n na ba? Right from Tinoto, Jinsan.
Oh, Tinoto. Sus, labaw pa man dito. Bisaya, ning bulang-bulang, yung tabagak niyo.
Ayaw tayo ng Olimpo. Kiamba.
Oh, Kiamba, oh.
Kumusta lang pa rin yung udoy niya? Bugaya ni Juan yun.
Yan na. Ating pambansang naman ko. Magja-jogging na po. Start siya dito. Papunta sa Pan Pacific. Pre, daan muna daw tayo sa Pan Pacific. Sabi niyo ba? Dadaan lagi sa Pan Pacific? Ha? Ito yung matibay talaga kahit walang ticket nakakapasok pero ganun ba?
Mamaya sa gitna ka ng kalsada para
walang ingay.
Sabihin ko sa front desk, ireklamo yung mga yan.
Oh, aba, parang may-ari ng daanan, no? Ano yung bangko yan, pre? Wells Fargo? Ah. Hello, Benjamin. Tingnan yung napakaganda dito. Ganda mag-jogging dito, guys. Walking muna tayo. Hindi muna tayo tatakbo. Maya-maya pa. Okay. Nauna na sila Madam Jinky, si Janet dito. Sila Jimel Pacquiao nandito na rin. Good morning, good morning. Naganda rito. Dami nang nabago ito. Nabago na yan, oh. Dati wala yan. Ito yung mga basura, nandiyan lang, oh. Daling ko dito yung ano ko kasi may playground na pala rito. Kasi dati guys wala yan, oh. May playground, tignan nyo, oh. Yan, oh. Daling ko talaga rito si JD. Nice. Nagbago dito for 4 years. Ganda. Taga General Santos City. Ayun. Binuha po yung kanapulo, eh. Masa si Manang? Pura. O senior citizen na ni si Manang, na. Oh, kuliwawa sa kulor. Ano nila doon? Duha ka green. Ano naman pinag-uusapan yung dalawa dyan?
Married life, married life.
Ah, married life, married life.
So,
asa si Jimwell? Bago rin yan. Oh, ang dami ng bago rito. 4 years bago pa nakabalik dito sa Pan Pacific. Oy, shout out dyan kila Rodel Alaba, kay Mark, kay Sam, sino pa ba? Sino to? Sila Bunso, sila Wata, Pansiras, si Kagawad, Motovlog. Oh, shout out din dyan sa mga MP Security. Okay? At saka sa mga followers natin na 217,000. Oh. Yan. Para ring nakarating na kayo rito sa Amerika. Panoorin nyo lang yung ano natin, video natin. Meron tayong Facebook at saka YouTube. Okay? Ayan. Si Madam Jinky yung nasa gitna, si Mrs. yung naka-green. Oh, grabe, passion show. Oh, grabe, nakakapagod. Oh, Bob Marley oh. Dito guys oh. Alam mo guys, disiplinado mga tao dito din. Okay. Shout out din dyan kay Edgar, ha? Kay Ryan. Ha? Maraming salamat kay Ryan Ursua sa pag-assist sa amin. Okay, at saka kay Ethel.
Memories.
Oh guys. Pagod na kami.
Kailan ba mo ali guys? Pag naman iwan na free kasi gustuhan. Tara mo na yung tsura guys.
Babang na ibang.
Pero nagbago na ni siya. Muna driver na mo ni siya karon. Oh.
Ang kaso ana niya, gitilapan niya tong.
Pagitaan niyo siya na sa Facebook.
Oh. Baba na yun. Hindi baba niya.
Ano ba, pina-adlib niyo mga wala.
Oo.
Diriba. Grabe. Guys.
Okay guys, dito na kami. Wala si Shermani, nandun doon sa kabila. Ga, ano dali ga? 2, 1. Bah, pa-timer oh. Para may ginagawa lang ba?
May, kalubang ba? 3 minutes po? Ano ba exercise mo?
Ganda rito.
Our main event of the evening with a record of 29 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw, 18 wins coming by way of knockout. He's been unbeaten for over 3 years. He's trained in Las Vegas under the guidance of Bob Santos. He's the pride and joy of San Antonio, Texas. And he is the reigning and defending WBC welterweight champion of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Mario El Azteca Barrios.
afternoon, everybody. Thank you for being here. I want to give a big shout out to Tom Brown, everybody at TGB, Howard Heyman, everybody at PBC, Luis de Cubas Jr., my team, Bob Santos, Richard Barrientos, my sister. I'm defending my WBC title against a legend. This is huge, something I never really pictured unfolding, but it's here, and it's on one of the biggest cards of the year. I'm just I'm stoked to be here. I'm stoked for this opportunity, and July 19th is going to be a night of boxing I don't want to miss. Thank you.
The champion, Mario El Azteca Barrios. And now, we want to bring up a man who's a legend in the sport, looking to add another chapter to his legacy by going from Hall of Famer, literally will be inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame this weekend, to becoming a world champion yet again. Something that has never been done before. His record, 62 wins, 8 losses, 2 draws, 39 wins coming by way of knockout. He also heads MP Promotions with Sean Gibbons, promoting Isaac Pitbull Cruz, among many others. He's the fighting pride of the Philippines. Boxing has missed him, and we welcome him back with open arms. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the 8th Division World Champion from Sarangani Province in the Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
First of all, I would like to thank God for this another opportunity in my life that I never imagined that I'm back.
Yes.
And to PBC Promotion, TGB, and especially to Al Himan, to all the organizers, to all the media and fans. Nice to see you guys again. And to the boxing fans all over the world, thank you for accepting me again as a boxer, and I hope that this July 19th can entertain you guys for this our performance with Mario Barrios. I want to say thank you to his family also, and to my team Pacquiao. You're live again.
That's right.
And to all the undercards, we must do something in our training camp so that we can give a good fight to the fans, and the fans will be happy on that in that night on July 19th. So all I can say is God bless everyone. This is our job to entertain the boxing fans. So we must do our best to give a good fight. And what I'm doing right now, I can't believe that Manny Pacquiao from 90s, I started my career a professional boxing in 1995 until now. So amazingly, that's a blessings from God, and the fire, the determination, eagerness to train hard, to work hard. Even now, I'm enjoying working out hard, like running the mountain, working out in the afternoon, like amazing. Not all the fighters has this feelings. This is favor, blessings from God, I believe, and the strength. Can you imagine that I've been through all those big fights in my life, but I'm still here. Manny Pacquiao is back. So thank you to all of you for believing Manny Pacquiao and the whole boxing industry. Good luck to all of us. Thanks.
The 8th Division World Champion, the Hall of Famer Manny Pacman Pacquiao. As he said, Manny Pacquiao is back. Now let's